Good morning, everyone. This is Amy with Apex Acres. Thank you for joining me today. Gosh, it feels like it's been forever since I made a video. I started this channel this spring because of how much I enjoy the homesteading life and how a lot of people that I know would come over and were so interested in what we do here and how things are done, living on a farm, how we handle the animals and different things like that. And so my husband Nick had been talking a lot about starting a channel. So I thought, okay, well, I'll do it. Let's see how it goes, and we'll make a YouTube channel. And things were going really good. And then, boy, life came in, and it's amazing how, after fair, we were just all so wiped out and tired. And I would start to make little videos, but never had the time to complete them. I was real busy with work and busy running kids, and the school started and we were running even more. And then something just kind of tugged on my heart that I needed to do videos again, that, I felt like things were so far behind and different now than what they were when I left off doing videos. Not only has the garden really changed a lot, we've pulled out a lot of things from the summer garden and now are planting fall items like cooler weather crops. That would be like lettuce, cabbage, bok choy, peas, things like that. But we also sold one of our goats. Alex, my oldest son, has last year he bought an Alpine doe, which is a milk breed goat, with his fair money that he had earned at the auction, and bought this little doeling and just absolutely loved her. But as she's grown and she's had a baby, she's just gotten to the point where she was just so big, and we have Nigerians, which are smaller goats, so she just didn't quite fit in with the herd the way we needed her to. She would be very pushy and push the other goats away from food, and they were just smaller and couldn't keep their place because she would push them out. So we decided that we would sell her, and I was really proud of him. He was able to make the decision that yes, he wanted to sell her, even though she was his first goat, and he was really comfortable with the fact of letting her go to a family in the Cincinnati area. So she is going to be a dairy goat for them for sure. I'm going to produce a lot of milk for the family because that is all they drink is goat's milk at their little house, their little farm. So we're really happy about that. We did keep her baby Liesel, and Liesel is actually almost old enough to be bred. So late this fall, probably in November, we're going to put her with Charlie, our buck, our little buck, and see if they can have spring babies for us. So like I said, I've been doing some videos, but nothing has ever really kind of come to fruition as far as making a complete video. So I am going to leave you with those little snippets of videos that I've made and kind of catch you up and let you see the farm again. I hope you all enjoy, and hopefully you'll be looking for more videos from me. And the rest of the family, I think, are going to get involved as well. So we'll be definitely bringing you a lot more content of our little farm around here and how things are done. And I hope you all look forward to that.